Hey guys, this is just going to be a demonstration of a double uni knot. Just joining braid to my mono leader. So to tie a double uni knot, you lay both your lines out side by side like so. Then I always start with the braid, take your braid and make a loop, and then pinch it so that you've got a loop like that. Which also has your leader running through it, and then feed about 6 wraps with your tail end through the loop and around the leader. Six or 7, I'm not sure how many I did then, sort of lost count. So now I'm just working that down. I haven't put any pressure on it, I've just closed it off just to make it easier. And then now on the other side, you do exactly the same, but with the mono tag. Same thing, 6 loops. So as you can see, all those loops are around and then they come both out. And I'm going to do exactly the same now. So as I pull, you'll see how it figure 8s on itself and then closes down for a knot. So now both of them are fairly close. I'll move them into each other. Now is sort of normally where you would wet the line, just suck on the knot sort of thing. And now as you put pressure, you'll see as they all close up on each other like so, and just give them a little bit of a pull, make sure they're all tight. And all you've got to do is now trim off both your tag ends. It's actually a very strong knot, to be honest. The double uni knot's not bad. And whenever I'm trimming this one, I'd like to get as close as I can because it's more likely to get caught when you're casting or winding in. But that's how to tie a double uni knot. Hope that helped you out, and get out there and catch more fish.